As you can see, cruises are great because they can offer you a great deal of value after you choose your itinerary, compare cabins, and search for all the discounts and deals that your cruise line offers. So before you set sail on the next trip, make sure to save as much as possible by avoiding these 7 complete wastes of money on a cruise. Number 7. Fees for ATMs on ships. ATM fees are sometimes a price to pay to access cash, but on a cruise ship, they can be borderline ridiculous. It can be costly to forget to bring extra cash on a cruise, with an ATM machine charging fees of $5 to $8 per transaction. On top of that, your bank charges you. There's a way to avoid those fees. According to Cruise Fever, just visit a casino, insert your cabin card, and deposit the money you want. To cash out, simply press the cash out button and take the ticket to the cashier. Number 6. Spending too much on spa products and packages. Massages on cruises are a great way to relax while on vacation, but you will usually be offered a hard sell for ridiculously overpriced products right after the treatment. Often, cruise lines and travel agents add treatment packages to traveler bookings. You might find recommendations for spa products in your cabin or in the spa to purchase in your cabin. These might include multiple treatments on a single day or over several days. Before you agree, make sure you know the a la carte prices. Number 5. Buying a drinks package. If you plan on enjoying alcoholic beverages on your cruise, consider getting an all-inclusive package. Just make sure you're aware of all the extra charges and rates when purchasing the package online rather than on board. In general, drinking packages on ships are quite expensive, and they only make sense if you spend a lot of money on drinks. For example, Royal Caribbean can charge up to $89 per day for a drinks package. Norwegian Cruise Line charges $138 for drink packages, excluding service. Consider how much and what type of drink you typically drink on vacation before you commit to one of these packages. Number 4. Playing cash cube games. Watch out for this waste of money at the cruise ship's casino. This is one of many games in the casino. You line up a key and insert it into the box to win $100, $500, $1,000, $2,500, or even an iPad. But many notice that the key rarely fits in. That's because the game is rigged and is controlled by a random number generator, RNG, so the machine cannot be cleaned out. If the RNG is not a winning number, you will lose 100 times in a row. It is programmed to make a profit, so don't dump 20 after $20 because you think you are close. Number 3. Purchasing onboard photos. On cruise formal nights, photographers will be everywhere. The majority of these onboard pictures aren't worth the money on your cruise. This is especially true of more expensive photo packages that cost hundreds of dollars for a week. A single photo in a digital form can easily cost $20. You'll never get a print. Multiple photo packages often run into the hundreds of dollars. This is certainly overpriced. It's better to take some selfies or ask someone else to do it for you. Number 2. Buying excursions only from your cruise line. In many cases, independent tours are much more intimate than cruise lines tours. Instead of a big motor coach, they might take a small van to a site, in contrast to nearly 40 people on tour. You might have 6 to 8 people with you. A private tour with an independent tour operator might be possible if your group is large enough. You can also book similar or even better tours and experiences directly with local tour companies or third-party vendors. In addition, many third-party shore excursions companies guarantee you will arrive on time. Number 1. Giving excessive tips. Go Banking rates report that it's never a bad idea to tip generously when you're treated well, but you should be aware of cruise line tipping policies before on board. Your cruise line might automatically charge a daily gratuity. On Carnival, for instance, the cost of $12.95 per person per day, which is either prepaid in advance or charged automatically. In addition, 15% gratuity is charged for all beverage services and 15% gratuity is charged for all chef table dining. The line, let's guess, adjust tipping at their discretion. Now you know these. When do you plan to take on cruising? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.